Hey there, Essential Span. So I want to give you guys some more tips to help you. So these skills you need to know as a nurse and also start preparing early. One skill you need to know is knowing your lung sounds, knowing what a normal lung sound is versus an abnormal lung sound. Know what diminished lung sounds are, coarse lung sounds. One important lung sound is stridor. Once you hear stridor, you'll never forget it. I will also send a link about the different lung sounds so you guys can kind of get an idea. Another big thing I would say, you have to know how to do vital signs. Everything in nursing or everything in CNA is based off vital signs: blood pressure, heart rate, oxygen, temperature, and pain. And if you don't know how to take a manual blood pressure, that's not an efficient nurse. So know how to do basic vital signs. If you are a CNA, great, because you already know these basic skills, but some people don't know. So